Hey guys, so I'm not going to talk too much in this video. I just want to show you guys how to reinstall a lace wig. This is a wig I had already. I'm going to put her back on and, you know, get it rocking, get it popping. I'm not doing the whole ball cap method because I'm not leaving this for too long, so I'm just going to put it on. So let's get right into the video. Bold holes.
DJ flaming up.
So I'm only gonna put like 2 because I'm not keeping the wig on for too long. So, you know, I'm only gonna put 2 layers. EMG. Todd, can you play that again?
She's a runner, she's a track star. She gon' run away when it gets hard. She can't take the pain, she can't get scarred. She hurt anyone that gets involved. Don't wanna come if I take it this far. She gon' do the race, just not this one. Love is a game you used to cheer for. When I was down the she's the runner, trap, 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 she's a rock, she's a rock, track, let's go, track, let's go, she's a rock, track, let's go, track, take the face, the big, the face, the face, the big, the face, the face, the big, the face, the face, leave a trail of heartbreak, I guess way too late, it's convenient for you, leave a trail of heartbreak,
Todd, can you play that again?
She's a runner, she's a track star. She's a runner, she's a track star. Big. She gon' run away when it gets hard. She can't take the pain, she can't get scarred. She hurt anyone that gets involved. Don't wanna come if I take it this far. She gon' do the race, just not this one. Love is a game you used to cheer for. When I was down the top, you wouldn't
Can you play that again?
Leave a trail of heartbreak, and honey like it cool. I guess way too late, it's convenient for you.
I'll be back when I'm ready to style it. Okay, I'm back, y'all. As you can see, I put some water because sis was looking hurt. She was looking dry. I took the hot comb and flattened this a little bit or whatever. I didn't do that on camera. I was on the phone with my mom, so put it up a little bit. She might need to be replucked or something, because I feel like what wig, bitch. Now let me stop. I'm trying to break on my cursing, you know, but yeah, let me just do this. She not looking good. Okay, so if I'm looking here, I have my mirror, okay? So she just needs a little, stop shaking. Stop shaking. Okay, the mirror's shaking, y'all. Let me just,
Empire. You know I can sing it.
Todd, can you play that again?
Stop. Hold up. Put your ass in it.
Show you a little body, 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 body. Show them a little body thing, body, body, body. And Shorty got the body, body. And Shorty got the body,
Todd, can you play that
Show you a
again?
little body, 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 body. Show them a little body thing, body, body, body. And Shorty got the body, body, body. Shorty get your body, body, body. Shorty a little body. Bend it over. Show them a little body. Bend it, come on. Bend it over, come on. And Shorty got the body. Bend it. Shorty get your body.
Bend over and arch your back, 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 arch your
Shorty a little body. Shorty my little boo thing. And Shorty got the body. Shorty be catching mood swings. Every time I fuck with her run, I on the covers. And I kept it on the cover. Cause I don't keep center. Hey, Todd, turn me up.
You know I need time, love it. Time, love it. Time, love it till I look into your eyes. Time, love it. Time, love it. Time, love it till I look into your eyes. Time, love it. Time, love it. So high, give me you getting high. Time, love it. Time, love it. Time, love it till I look into your eyes.
Body, 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 body. Show them a little body, damn body, body, body. And Shorty got the body, body, body. Shorty be catching body, body. Shorty a little body. Bend it over. Show them a little boo, damn. Bend it, come on. Bend it over, come on. And Shorty got the body.
So high, give me you getting
Shorty
high.
catching mood swings.
So high, give me you getting high.
I don't wish you well. When you ain't with me, I want you crying.
hey Eli, shake the streets
I know
again.
it's wrong, but I just gotta be honest. Pick me up, don't know if it's what I need, but it's what I want, gotta got me. Other night, I don't wish you well. When you ain't with me, I want you crying. I know it's wrong, but I just gotta be honest. Pick me up, don't know if it's what I need, but it's what I want, gotta got with me. Yeah. Other night, I don't wish you well. When you ain't with me, I want you crying. I know it's wrong,
Okay, I'm gonna tie it up and show you guys when I'm done how it looks. Sis could be better, but I'm just trying. Okay. Watch when I get the makeup and all of that. Period. But I'm gonna tie this down and I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. This is the wig from the first like hair tutorial video that I did with the wig, and this is still good. I haven't been wearing wigs. I recently had box braids, if you could see in my previous videos. But yes, this is how it's looking. You know, I'm kind of rushing because I'm about to leave my house, but yes, I had a wash and set or whatever, so I'm ready to show the wig, put the wig back on. But stay tuned, I got some more videos coming out. I'm not doing a glam look because I gotta go, so but yeah, this is the hair. I'm gonna fix it more later when I'm going out, but this is just for right now. Like, you had it on before and you could put it back on. It's like just that easy. So I'm about to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yes, I'm wearing beige shirt. I just was like, I don't care how I'm looking, let's just make this video. And I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope you guys learned a little something. But yeah, once you had that wig, sis, you can put it back on. You don't have to throw it away or anything like that. So yes, I'm currently going to fix this later, better. I gotta go. I have to do my sister's wig now. Am I gonna record that? I don't know. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. And I'll be back with more bangers. I know I've been away for a little while, but I've been busy. Okay? So, catch you guys in the next video. Stay lit.